The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. You have 1 skill and 1 job. That's the gap nobody talks about. Here's the truth. You don't need 10 different skills to build multiple income streams. You need 1 skill, packaged 10 different ways. Let me show you exactly how. Think about a skill you already have. Maybe it's writing, maybe it's video editing, maybe it's Excel, maybe it's just being good at explaining things. Most people use that skill one way, for their 9-to-5 job. That's stream number 1. But that same skill can be sliced into at least 5 more income streams, and most people are leaving 4 of them on the table. Stream 2, freelancing that exact skill on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr during evenings. Same skill, different paycheck, completely separate from your job. Stream 3, package your knowledge into a digital product. If you're good at something, there are people 1 step behind you who'd pay for a shortcut. A simple PDF guide, a template pack, a Notion system, built once, sold forever. Stream 4, teach it. Not a full course right away. Start with a single tutorial, a YouTube video, or a paid one-on-one session. People don't just pay for skills, they pay for clarity. Stream 5, build an audience around the skill. Post your process, your tips, your mistakes. An audience is an asset. It eventually monetizes itself through sponsorships, affiliate links, or your own products. Stream 6, automate it. Once you know a skill deeply, you can build a tool, a template, or even a simple AI-powered workflow that does part of that skill for other people, and charge a subscription for it. Notice what just happened. 1 skill, 6 income streams. Same expertise, 6 different containers. Here's the mindset shift that matters most. Stop asking what new skill should I learn. Start asking how many ways can I repackage what I already know. A skill is not a job. A skill is raw material. And raw material can be turned into a job, a service, a product, a course, an audience, and a tool, all from the same source. The people stuck at 1 income stream aren't lacking skill. They're lacking packaging. Pick the skill you already have. Pick just 1 new stream from this list, and build it this month. Not all 6, just 1. If this gave you a new way to see your own skill set, hit subscribe, because every video on this channel is about turning what you already have into what you actually want.